Standing together, the power of unity in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and powerful phrase, standing together. This phrase is not just about physical positioning, but carries a deeper meaning about unity and cooperation. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or personal growth, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of standing together. Standing together is a phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's not just about standing next to someone. When we say people are standing together, we mean they are united in their thoughts, actions, or purposes. It's a symbol of solidarity and support. This phrase is often used in contexts where unity is essential, like during a crisis, in a team project, or in social movements. To better understand standing together, let's see how it's used in various sentences. 1. In social movements, the community was standing together to fight for environmental protection. 2. In teamwork, the project was successful because the team was standing together in every challenge. 3. In personal relationships, during tough times, families often find strength in standing together. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, always highlighting the theme of unity and cooperation. There are several phrases in English that convey a similar meaning to standing together. Here are a few. Band together implies coming together to achieve a common goal. United we stand, a popular phrase emphasizing strength in unity. In solidarity, expressing support and unity, especially in political or social contexts. Understanding these phrases helps in grasping the nuances of English expressions related to unity and support. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, standing together. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and emotions they convey. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you in understanding the beauty and depth of English expressions. Keep practicing, and remember, we're all in this journey of learning together. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.